Morning, guys. Got me a deal I couldn't refuse today. Buddy Mike hit me up, hooked us up with some three-wheelers. Let's see what we got. A big red there. 200 ES. That's going to piss a lot of people off if I call it a big red, even though the fender said big red. We also ended up with this bad boy. Don't mind the chicken tractor build back there. I mean the hog tractor. This is about the tree wheeler. ATC 70 and some Channy dirt bike. A super nice 125M. And the big red over there. More coming. Hey guys, happy Labor Day. Shout out to Oscar Meyer. He hooked us up with some three-wheelers the other day. And the boys are going to get this one going first. So Parker and Reagan, it's Labor Day. They're going to try it out right here. You guys stay tuned, see how far we get on this thing today. We'll be posting some reels. I bet we got some tires around here somewhere.
We just need some air.
Yeah, we're just going to put some air in that. Just need to... So let's see if this sucker's going to run. That's the first step. And hold on. Give it a pull. Pull it hard, boy. Almost got it. Try again. Is the key on? Hold on, run switch on. All right, try it again. One more try. One more. Okay, she's gonna run. We're gonna get into it. Well, we decided, we obviously knew we needed some different wheels and tires. So we're going 400EX subs on this. First thing we did was swapped on some 400EX subs. We put this wheel on, tire on there, Reagan. And then we got us some Maxxis tires off of old Kimco. So we got the back tire situation handled. We'll figure out this front one. I'm about to pull this tank off and get a run and slap this on here, buddy. I like the Maxxis a lot. They're old, but they've been sitting out there doing nothing, and they're smaller. It's gonna give this thing a little more torque. Might have to clear up them threads. How about that, boy?
Sure.
Look good?
Yeah.
Cool. If there's any gas in there. Oh, she stuck it?
Yeah.
Oh, damn. Oh, here, I need both hands. Oh, it's still clean though. Yeah, that's pretty decent on the inside.
Smell it.
I don't hear any. Hold on. Tilt it, leave it right there. I'm gonna pull those fuel lines off. When I go to clean these, I like to cut one. Oh, they already have one off because I got an aftermarket carb. So I'll leave that one. Cut this one. I like to put the hose, go ahead and take that off. I like to hook the hose between the two, put some fresh gas in it, shake it up, we'll clean it out. Go over there and grab the cap for it, okay? Got the carb getting clean, give her a shake, buddy. Reagan's working on just rinsing this tank out a little bit. Look at them clouds, boy, it looks like it's gonna rain.
Yeah.
We got the carb all clean, Reagan's got the tank clean. Putting these wheels and tires on, a couple cotter pins. Then we're gonna work on that front end. Hey Reagan, come peekaboo inside this air box. See how many Black Widows. We got up in there was no air filter. So I had one for a Raptor 700 and I cut it in half and it fit. So that's what we're doing. All right, got a neutral light, everything's on. Reagan, hit the start button. See if the starter works. It's the bottom, yep. All right, hold on, let go. Let me close this choke. I'll try giving it a little gas. Go ahead. All right, let go. Hey, Parker, no choke. I think we're gonna have to adjust the idle a hair. Okay, let's get us a flathead, Reagan. Might have to get, or let me turn this up just a hair, buddy. Go ahead. We'll turn this idle down where we like it. Parker, go stab the throttle. Let's make sure it drops back down where it's supposed to. Come on, boys. Let's see if we got headlight action. Oh, that's a cool switch. Oh, yeah. So So maybe, hold on. 1.5. I'm gonna go. Try and pull it from right there. Just give it a pull. Got some wheels and tires on it, old son. Here, I gotta drive it first. I gotta make sure it's safe.
Yeah.
Come on, here, I gotta make sure. It's like Halloween candy. I gotta try it first. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Something started rattling on me.
I think
My chain's loose. Nice. Down is higher. It goes up a gear, so go down. That's first. To go to second, you go down again. No, you drive. Leave it. Oh my goodness. Easy, boy. Don't turn it fast. Hey, cover that brake, flip-flop boy. What, you think you can pop a wheelie on it now? That's in high. It'll do it even easier in low. Hey, slow down way more. You didn't touch the brake, boy. It would have set it down. Don't bail out every time. Just touch that back brake. You could use this like a clutch. Hold it down. Give it a little gas. Let go to pop. Be butt and arms. Oh. Ooh. Push it and hold it. Throttle. A little more. Move, Bubba. Hold the throttle a little more. Then let go of the shifter. Oh. You don't want to push here and pull up because you're pushing the front end down. You want to use your butt and your arms. Then look. If it comes too much. Almost saved it. There you go. See, the brake set it down. See, it'll come right up, dude. It comes up, let out, and just play with it a little bit. A little more than that. All right, let go. You let off way too soon. Let it come up this time. Hold on, stop. Hold it down. Rev it up more. Okay. A little more. And pull up. Wagging, now wagging. Keep your feet on the pegs. Then just take the
Oh wait, no, that one's already jacked up.
stupid three-wheeler.
Do one more.
One wheelie?
Yep.
Hey, yeah.
Oh, what? That was sick.
Try to pause it.
That was good. No way. Alright.
I turn now. 125M. All finished. I had another wheel and tire put on the front. We swapped out the rear hubs for some 400EX hubs, and I have these old Maxxis itty bitties that I put on the rear. We put a battery in it. Me and the boys cleaned the carb, put a new fuel line and filter on it. It's a runner now. Get up in there, lots more videos coming, guys. I'm about to be upgrading the old lifted Z50. I'm getting some new wheels and tires to go on it, so hopefully it'll be looking pretty cool here and being ridden again real soon. Get up in there, guys, like and share. I know it's been a while since we posted a video, but it's about project time. Summer's over, fall's about to pick up, and then we got all winter just to get up in there. Lots more machines coming. Appreciate y'all. All right, I went tubeless. They mounted, so you can see we're gonna get about 2-3 inches there. What do you guys think? Are they too big? I don't think so. This motor, we put a smaller sprocket or a bigger sprocket on it, but it was geared for an XR80, which had a wheel bigger than this. So it's not like that won't tote it around. I can take off in third gear with these itty bitty Z50 tires on it.